Hey, I'm Brad from Tow Merchants in Auckland, New Zealand, and today I want to talk to you about our Tow Merchants wiring harnesses, in particular our TBX wiring harness for P-Bass. So TBX wiring is something that was used by Fender in the mid to early 80s, and they did that with their made in Japan line, the Fender Boxer, also known as the Fender Jazz Special. Now, the Fender Jazz Special was pretty much used exclusively by Duff McKagan through all of his work in Guns N' Roses. It's also featured in his signature bass. So TBX wiring, what that is it gives you your standard tone controls from 1 through to 5, and then you get a notch right in the middle. And once you cross over that, you're going into the TBX extender of that wiring harness. Now, what TBX is it reduces the resistance while increasing the presence of both the bass and the treble. So you're going to get more in your lows, a bit more in your highs. And yeah, I just feel that it really does shine very much through in harmonics. You can really notice the difference once you go into the TB extender. So we had Michael in the other week. He's done a demo for you, and yeah, he's used that harmonics right through from your standard wiring and then entering into the TBX. So yeah, I hope you could really tell the difference there from once you go over the center point and start clicking into the TBX wiring extender. Yeah, like I said, it really is prevalent in those harmonics. You can really hear the difference. So the other two major kinds of playing are going to be with fingerstyle playing and with pick. So we've done a similar kind of thing where we've started off in your usual tone areas of your standard tone wiring and then crossing over into the TBX. So you can get my Tone Merchants wiring harnesses from my website, tonemerchants.co.nz. You can also get them on Trade Me if you're in New Zealand. If you're outside of New Zealand, you can also get them on Reverb. We deliver direct to customers in the USA. From the USA, John has stock in Tennessee, so he'll ship direct to you from there. And if you're in Australia, you can get these from Deep Tone Music in Sydney. Go see Adam in store. He's got all of our wiring harnesses there in stock, and he can also deliver throughout Australia. So again, I'm Brad from Tone Merchants. I hope this gives you a really good idea as to what a TBX P-bass wiring harness can bring to your bass. And just, yeah, I hope it just inspires you to keep playing and do different things. I love P-basses, so it's a really good addition to a P-bass because you're getting your standard tone controls from that 1 to 5 and then crossing over into the TBX just gives you so much more. Thanks again.